North Dakota, Caitlyn Vogel.
The first contestant moving into the semifinals is North Dakota. Also earning a top spot in the number 16 is... And now, here are your 16 semifinalists in the U.S.A. Energy Drink Swimsuit Competition, starting with North Dakota. Our top 16 semifinalists, starting with North Dakota.
The final spot, the top 8 belongs to North Dakota!
Congratulations to our top 8. One of you will be walking away with the opportunity of a lifetime. If you're watching from home, we want you to tell us which of these top 8 contestants you'd like to see take home the Mawad crown tonight by using hashtag Miss USA. Players go away.
I'm a nurse with Maddie, and so I wear sneakers as well, but I love a cocktail and sneaker look.
Okay, all right, got it. So we're kind of like, it depends on the day. It depends on the vibe, right? I think that's fair. All right, the time has come to pick our cards, so go ahead and randomly choose one, and the judge that you select will ask your question. Friendly reminder, you have 30 seconds to answer. Otherwise, you hear the pretty gentle ding noise. I don't know what to call it, but I like the way it sounds. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with Tuit Pepper Jelly.
And I'll have to agree with all the ladies. It's a stay.
I love this. Charcuterie boards. Why not? Let them stay. Okay, next up, wearing sneakers with literally everything.
I would definitely go with love. I'm a firm believer that if you approach everything with a loving mindset, then everything that comes from you will be positive and in the best light.
Yeah, love wins. I'd have to say. And last but certainly not least, North Dakota.
Judge 3.
Hello, Miss North Dakota. If you could give advice to a potential politician on topics that are important to your generation, what would you tell them?
I think something very important is unity. We are based off of bipartisanship government, and we've lost the heart of that. It was established as a means of compromise, and instead we're using it as a means of division. So I definitely think that's something we need to focus on.
Ooh. Well done, everyone. Bravo. I am absolutely blown away. Not only are you all beautiful and successful, you are so intelligent. I am so inspired sharing the stage with y'all. Now, you can breathe a sigh of relief. Keep in mind that if for any reason tonight's winner is unable to fulfill her duties, this next contestant will take her place.
In second place, North Dakota.
5 ladies